guys, meet my husband. I will introduce my husband, David. He's going to help me how to cook crispy chicken. So, say hi. Hi.
Hello.
So here we're going to start the how to put the flour and eggs the chicken. Okay, see you later. Hello guys, my husband, he's the one who put the seasoning. So first, he needs to mix the Knorr seasoning to the chicken. Sprinkle like 1 tablespoon. That's it. Now the chicken powder bouillon. 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. And 1 tablespoon of black pepper. So now, he's going to mix it. Mix very well. Tonight we are going to crispy fried chicken.
We're gonna make crispy fried chicken.
Yay!
My goodness.
She's shy. You know, shy? So that's my husband, David. She mix that so the taste, the flavor mix tastes good. So that's it.
Excuse me, Mary Jane. May I ask you a question, please?
Yes, sir.
What if there's a feather in the chicken? What do I do?
Then you have to take her out. Let cut off.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're very welcome. So that's it. Now he's going to crack the eggs. 2 pieces of eggs. And he's going to mix it. Really good. See, it's chip cook. chip cook. He just off only today. Today is Sunday, and he works Monday through Saturday. So this is the only time that he
Should
can
we season the eggs
help
with
sometime
flour?
and see his face. Yes, you have to dip the eggs. Oh, I mean the chicken to the eggs and put the cornstarch. You have to mix it very well. So you have to make sure that you have to do that thing here. Where's the and then the flour, make sure you have to cover the dough very well. Good job. Then put on the plate. Oh, that's big chicken. So, same process.
Why do you use cornstarch?
To make the chicken more crispy.
Sorry, I'm making a bit of a mess on the table.
Hello. It's okay.
There's a lot of flour on the table.
You make a mess.
I think we might not have enough cornstarch.
You can mix together too. It's fine.
Some might not be so crispy. I'm making a big mess. I'm sorry.
Oh my god. It's okay. Joy, say hi. Hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello. We're running out of ingredients.
Say hello. He ran out the ingredients. Look at what he did. Hello guys. Now we're done. Me and my husband. He's coating the chicken, covered with the flour and cornstarch. So now we're going to put the chicken, fried it. As you can see, it's too hot right now. So now I'm going to fry the chicken. Right now it's too hot. So guys, the oil is too hot. So I'm going to fry it until the chicken is cooked. Fried it 6 minutes for the bottom, and later I check after 6 minutes. Hello guys, we're going to check the chicken, making sure the chicken is not burned the back. Okay, not yet guys, it's already a little bit brown but need more. So the first I put high heat, but now I put down like medium so we can cook slowly. I want to make sure that the chicken is cooked inside. Hello guys, now I'm going to check my chicken, making sure the chicken is cooked. Here. It looks very crispy already guys. But I want to make sure inside it's cooked. Already turned brown guys, but I want to make sure inside the meat is not pink. So I need more 3 minutes to go guys. I'm going, you know what I did? So I'm trying to put this inside, poke the inside, making sure the chicken is absorb the heat inside. I put like 6 minutes in the back to flip over. After 6 minutes, you have to flip over another 6 minutes. So this is the clean toothpick. I always poke, making sure my chicken inside is cooked. See? It looks like the chicken is not nice. As you can see, the chicken is cooked already. See? Look very crispy. So now I'm going to put the chicken here to drain the oil. So the chicken is cooked, guys. Guys, I'm going to take out the chicken. As you can see, the chicken is very crispy and cooked. I need to put that one to drain the oil. 6 minutes, guys. 6 minutes and 6 minutes to flip over. Both sides is 12 minutes. It's up to you, but it depends you how your chicken